In this video, we will discuss salts. First of all, we must know what are salts. Salts are ionic compounds. They are formed by the complete neutralization of an acid with a base. Acids on reaction with a base will form salt and water, and the reaction is known as neutralization reaction. We will understand the formation of salt by the reaction of an acid with a base with the help of an example. For example, we have reaction of HCl. HCl when react with base NaOH, we get salt and water, and the reaction is known as neutralization reaction. The salt which is formed is NaCl plus water. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Here NaCl which is formed is salt. The name of this salt is sodium chloride. Now in sodium chloride, the first part of the salt is sodium. The first part of the salt is sodium. This part comes from the positive part or the cationic part of a base. Positive part or cationic part of a base. What is the positive part or cationic part of the base? Here it is sodium. Usually this positive part or cationic part of a base is usually a metal atom. The second part of a salt is come from the anionic part of an acid. This is acid, that is hydrochloric acid, and this is a base, that is sodium hydroxide. The second part of a salt is usually come from the negative part of an acid or anionic part of an acid. What is the negative part of an acid here? A chloride ion. Positive part is hydrogen ion, negative part is chloride ion. So the second part of salt, that is chloride ion, is usually come from the negative part of an acid. So in this way, after the complete neutralization of an acid with a base, we get salt and water. Salts are usually ionic compounds. What are the nature of salts? Salts are usually ionic compounds. Salts, they are usually ionic compounds. Ionic compounds, they are usually found in crystalline form. Usually they are present in the form of crystals. Crystalline forms. And since they are ionic compounds, so they have high values of melting and boiling points. The next important point, they have high values of melting and boiling points. High melting points and boiling points. Boiling points. We have all the three types of salts: acidic, basic, as well as neutral salts, which are also known as normal salts. I hope salts are clear to you.